Alright guys, so today we have the Galaxy Buds Pro. I recently purchased them off Telemart and they took about 4 days for delivery. The price for these was about 20,400, but with delivery, which they charged, was about 20,900. So today we are going to be unboxing these. So first of all, there's nothing on the side, but at the back you can see that it has a two-way speaker system for richer and more immersive sound. So basically what they did over here was they had an 11mm woofer on top of a tweeter to give you that rich experience. Now these are powered by AKG, active noise cancelling. It also has ambient sound, and playtime is about 5 to 18 hours. It's also IPX7 water resistance. These are just the earbuds, not the case. And yeah, let's see what else we have on the box. So let's see, what do we have over here. So these were SMR 190, and let's see, these are made in Vietnam, and the manufacture date is 1st of August 2021 over here. So let's see what's inside the box. Now price wise, these cost about $150 in the US, and I think for $20,000 on sale, which was the 11/11 sale, these are pretty good. And let me just quickly cut this off. Now I also made a video for the Galaxy Buds Live, which were in I'm forgetting the color, bronze, phantom bronze, and these also come in 3 colors. These come in white, phantom black, and phantom lavender, I guess. So I stuck with the black ones. So now that we have it unboxed, let's see what comes inside the box. So inside you have your basic, these are your instructions on how you go about and wear them. Now these have a really good fit, and because of this good fit, the active noise cancellation works really well. And the best thing about these earbuds is that not only do they have ambient sound, but they also have active noise cancelling, which is one of the best. So you have your standard booklet and your warranty card and your starter guide. So we won't be needing those. Let's just set them up nicely over here. Now let's look inside over here. So you get your charging cable and you get some ear tips. Now the charging cable that you get inside is a standard USB-C, just like the Buds Live. And I believe, oh, these must be your ear tips inside. Okay. And this is in fact the USB-C. Okay. So moving onwards. I really like the way that they have overall packaged this. Now over at the back you have your USB-C port to charge this. You can also charge this wirelessly. If you have any Samsung device that has reverse charging, such as the Note 10 Plus or the Note 20. Let me see if I can have these opened. Alright, so there you go. I'm just gonna set these down. So pretty cool. Pretty nice. Not only can these devices connect with two devices, meaning that if you're watching, a movie on your Samsung tablet and you get a voice call and you're also connected with your phone, so once you answer your voice call, it's gonna seamlessly transferred connect you to your phone, and once you're done with your phone call, it's gonna connect you back. So I am going to be trying these out, and yeah, let me go ahead and connect these. So also right with me right now, I have my Samsung Galaxy Note and I have my Samsung Galaxy Watch over here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can connect these. Oh, come on, with the Bluetooth. So let me go ahead and see. And there you have it. You have your Galaxy Buds Pro. I'm gonna click on that. It's pairing, pair, and there you are connected. So, and it's installing the software required for it. So it's pretty seamless. You just have to turn the Bluetooth on. It'll detect them. You connect them, then it downloads the software. You get a lot of the options are can only be used through the Samsung app. You're all set, and that's how easy it is. And over here you have your options. So let's see what we have over here. Check out the tips to learn more. So you have your active noise cancelling, you have your ambient sound, you have your voice detect. So the best thing there is about these things, these Buds Pro, is that these are state of the art. So basically, let's say if you're listening to music and someone comes up to you for directions, or if you want to offer talk to someone, as soon as you start talking, it detects your voice, and the sound is going to lower itself. And then once you're done talking, depending on the settings that you have, 3 to 5 seconds, it's going to then go ahead and play back the music that you're playing. Okay, so these are one of the best right now. It's the Samsung's best top end headphones that they have. Alright, guys, so one of the other things that I just wanted to quickly point is that you get 6 ear tips in total, 4 in the box and 2 on the earbuds. And one of the things regarding the case is that you won't be able to charge this with the wireless charger for the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch. For some reason it's not compatible. However, if you go to your phone, you have a Samsung device which has reverse charging enabled. Alright, and you just have to flip your phone up and put the case at the back, and it should start charging. Let's have a look at it if I did this correctly. Yeah, so there it is, it's charging. I can hear the notification sound in my earbuds that it's charging successfully and so on, so that's pretty cool. One more thing is that if you have your cell phone in your pocket and you're listening to music, all you need to do is, if you have the Samsung Watch, in my case I have the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch, you simply don't need to take the phone out. You can simply change the tracks from the audio player over here, and you can control the volume and all those features and so on. And yeah, you can also control the standard music player that you have in your phone and so on. So that's a pretty cool feature that I found. Not to mention, let's say you have some songs installed into your Active Watch itself, you can simply go to the music player and you can simply go to the music player that you have I believe the watch comes with some space to store your MP3s on it. So if you have stored or copied MP3 songs onto your watch, you don't need to connect your AirPods Pro to the phone at all. You can simply connect it from over here. Okay, and yeah. So let me know what you guys think, what your thoughts are. Personally for me, I've always been a headphones kind of guy. I really like over the ear uh, headphones rather than in-ear earbuds. However, the sound quality is so good on these that I think it's the right choice for me at this point in time, especially if I put in perspective the price that it's only 20K. I was thinking of going for a Bose or a JBL headphones. I actually wanted to try out the Sony XM4s. However, the price factor is a huge difference. So for now, I'm switching to these. The only thing that you need to take care of is that, make sure that they're slightly fit into your ears, and so when you're winking or when you're blinking. I'm sorry, when you're blinking, they tend to get a little loose in your ears, and you don't want to drop them off, especially in a dark place where it's hard for you to find them. But one cool feature that you have in the Samsung Galaxy app is, if in case you lose them, you do have this feature where you can click on Find My Earbuds, and it's going to make a small sound to help you locate where these are located. They only work once they are out of the case, and let me just quickly go into that and show you how that is. Okay guys, so the total capacity for the charging case is about 472 mAh, and the battery capacity for each of the earbuds is 61 mAh, which is, considering the number of hours that they give you for this, it's really cool. Now also inside the app you have your equalizer, you have your normal bass boot, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble. I'm gonna put it to bass boot, and the bass is amazing on this. You really need to try this. Also, seamless earbud connection. Let's see what this is. Okay, so whenever you take your earbuds out, it's gonna seamlessly connected to that. It has 360 audio. When 360 audio is on, Dolby Atmos won't be used while you're watching movies. So that's pretty cool. Sometime in the near future, like if you watch Netflix like me, much of the, I'm thinking it's going to be a pretty great move if in the future Netflix teams up and provide support for these 360 audio and so on. So that would be really good. So it has a lot of double tap earbud add. So if you want to pause, you just have to tap your earbuds gently once, okay? And if you want to move to the next track, you can tap it twice, and for 3 taps you can have that set up as well. So check out these experimental features. Double tap, earbuds edge, gaming mode. I'll be sure to check these out. The second thing is earbud software update. It already did an update, so I'm pretty sure I'm all good to go. What's new? It has some features over here. Now I'm still looking on where do you go to locate your earbuds. Find my earbuds. So here you have that option. Find my earbuds. So I'm not sure if you can hear this. So it's making a sound, so that will help you locate them. So you also mute one of them off, or both of them off. If you have the right one, you want the right one not to make any sound since it's in your hand, and you want to look at the left one, so you just click on left one, and it's gonna make that sound again. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys like the video. Till next time.